YouTube offers various opportunities to generate income, making it a viable platform for creators looking to monetize their content. Whether you're just starting or looking to optimize your earnings, understanding the different revenue streams on YouTube is key to maximizing your income. This tutorial will guide you through the essential steps to make money on YouTube. Join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. Eligibility requirements. To start earning money directly from YouTube, you must join the YouTube Partner Program. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. Ensure your channel complies with all YouTube policies and guidelines. Setting up. Once eligible, apply for YPP through your YouTube Studio account. After approval, you can start earning from ads, channel memberships, and other monetization features. Enable monetization options. Ads revenue. Once in the YPP, enable ads on your videos. YouTube will place ads on your content, and you'll earn a share of the ad revenue. The amount you earn depends on factors like viewer demographics, ad type, and engagement. Channel memberships. Offer channel memberships to your subscribers, where they pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks like badges, emojis, and members-only content. Super Chat and Super Stickers. During live streams, viewers can purchase Super Chats and Super Stickers to highlight their messages, providing you with additional revenue. Create sponsored content. Brand deals. Partner with brands to create sponsored videos. Companies may pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. These deals can be highly lucrative, especially if you have a niche audience. Affiliate marketing. Include affiliate links in your video descriptions. When viewers purchase products through your links, you earn a commission. Amazon Associates is a popular affiliate program among YouTubers. Sell merchandise. Merch shelf. If you have a significant following, you can sell branded merchandise directly through YouTube using the merch shelf feature. Items like t-shirts, mugs, and stickers can help you earn money and promote your brand. Third-party platforms. Use platforms like Teespring or Spreadshop to design and sell custom merchandise. Link to your shop in your video descriptions and promote your products in your content. Crowdfund your projects. Patreon. Use Patreon to offer your fans exclusive content or perks in exchange for monthly support. This platform allows your most dedicated fans to contribute financially to your content creation. Crowdfunding campaigns. For larger projects, consider launching a crowdfunding campaign on platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo. Share your campaign on your channel to reach potential backers. Utilize YouTube Premium revenue. Premium revenue. YouTube Premium subscribers pay a monthly fee for an ad-free experience. You earn a share of the revenue from premium subscribers who watch your content, based on their total watch time on your videos. Optimize your content for search. SEO techniques. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to increase visibility and attract more viewers. Use relevant keywords and phrases that your target audience is searching for. Engagement. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your videos to boost engagement, which can lead to higher rankings in YouTube search results and more ad revenue. Analyze and improve your content. YouTube Analytics. Regularly review your YouTube analytics to understand what content is performing well and why. Use this data to create more of what your audience loves, which can lead to increased views and earnings. Content strategy. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your audience's interests and preferences. Consider creating a content calendar to plan your videos and ensure consistency. Making money on YouTube requires a combination of creativity, strategy, and consistency. By leveraging the various monetization options and optimizing your content, you can build a sustainable income stream on the platform. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo. Check my links below.